In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of how to merge Thunderbird profiles using the BitRecover Thunderbird Restore Wizard. To install the BitRecover Thunderbird Restore Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here, users can choose Convert configured Thunderbird mailbox data to automatically load profile data for merging. Or, let me select my Thunderbird mailbox data to manually select the Thunderbird profiles to be merged. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to export. Click Next. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the folder where the merged Thunderbird profiles will be saved. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the merging process will begin. Once the merge is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the merge was successful. Click OK, and open the destination folder. The merged Thunderbird profiles will be saved under the Local Folders section within Thunderbird Profile. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.